Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to retarget all your channel subscribers, viewers, people who liked your videos, and basically retarget them with either pre-roll ads, display ads, show them your new videos, and basically give you guys a solid introduction on how to do Google Adwords YouTube retargeting. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So I have this campaign called Mentorship Form Application. What it is basically a pre-roll ad that I target all my current YouTube viewers, and I tell them, hey, if you guys are interested in working with me one-on-one, now's the best time to apply. And I'm targeting, let's turn it back on. And I'm targeting people who already watch my videos. So that means they're already primed and they already have seen me before, and they're much more likely to convert. That's the reasoning behind it. Cold traffic, it's way more difficult. So I have two ads. So let's see. I think the first one is retargeting, and one of them is lookalike audiences on Google. So not many people know that you can do that, but you definitely can do that. So let's check out the audience for the first campaign. So this one went to visitor channel page. That's the audience for this one. Go ahead and rename this to dash retargeting channel viewers. Go ahead and click the first one. Let's go to the audiences for this one. Viewed any video. Awesome. Go back to ads. Let's go back to ad group. Ad group. Rename it to retargeting people who watched any video on channel. So let's go ahead and look at the country that I target. Actually, I think it's in the campaign level locations. So as you can see, I go for the first world countries. It seems like Turkey, United Kingdom, Spain, Portugal, Italy, France are all hella expensive. But since I'm running this new campaign, I got new viewers, I want to just see how it performs first before I narrow it down. Actually, since I want to do that, I want to start on a fresh start. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the ad set. So let's pause this. Pause. Click. Copy. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to open up my audiences. Paste it into my current campaign. Just so I want to have a new fresh one. This is going to load up my audience list. Also, I'm going to open up a list of first world countries. So here's a copy. I'm going to write new June 19th, 2018. So I know you have a list of all the first world countries. Look at the second world countries, like stuff like Germany. Germany is pretty good. So I might put that in. Turn this on. Enable. Locations. Let's have locations in bulk. Go ahead, I'm going to copy all the first world countries I got. Put it here. Put in Germany as well. Search. While that's loading, let's look at our audience list. So as you can see, I could target any of my subscribers, people who viewed any of my videos, people who visit my page, and people who liked any videos. These all match, so target all. Germany, save. All these countries are in. Go back to the ad group. Let's go to the ad itself. So you can see I have a few ads running based on the cost per purchase, cost per conversion. This one obviously is way too expensive, so pause this one. Pause the corresponding one in the new ad set I duplicated. This one seemed to be also expensive. The last one. So that's the ads trimmed down. Let's go back to the ad group. So that was the video. If you guys enjoyed that, and if you guys want more information, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below, because I'll be able to take you one-on-one by hand and able to help you with your situation. Check out the form if you're interested. Other than that, if you guys liked the video, be sure to drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.